Isaiah 54 verse 13, all your children will be taught by the Lord, and great will be their peace. Proverbs 22 verse 6, start children off on the way they should go, and even when they are old they will not turn from it. Psalm 127 verse 3, children are a heritage from the Lord, offspring a reward from him. Numbers 6:24-26, the Lord bless you and keep you, the Lord make his face shine on you and be gracious to you, the Lord turn his face toward you and give you peace. Deuteronomy 6 verses 6-7, these commandments that I give you today are to be on your hearts. Impress them on your children. Talk about them when you sit at home and when you walk along the road, when you lie down and when you get up. 3 John 1 verse 4, I have no greater joy than to hear that my children are walking in the truth. Psalm 91 verse 11, for he will command his angels concerning you to guard you in all your ways. Ephesians 6 verses 1-3, children, obey your parents in the Lord, for this is right. Honor your father and mother, which is the first commandment with a promise, so that it may go well with you and that you may enjoy long life on the earth. Isaiah 44 verse 3, for I will pour water on the thirsty land, and streams on the dry ground. I will pour out my spirit on your offspring, and my blessing on your descendants. Luke 2 verse 52, and Jesus grew in wisdom and stature, and in favor with God and man. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time. God bless you.